So I see this one throwing people off just solely because it's a word problem. Some people struggle with the language of math. This is part of the reason that we need to be talking in English in class all the time, is so that we can practice our technical mathematical vocabulary in English, okay? Get fluent in the language. We can read word problems without getting thrown off. So use less than, equal to, or greater than to complete this statement. The sum of the measures of the exterior angles, one on each vertex, is what to the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a regular sixgon, one at each vertex? Well, we know that always, always, always the sum of the exterior angles, regardless of the number of sides, is equal. What is it equal? They're equal to 360. So they are equal. They're talking about the sum. Now what if they're talking about each individual angle? So what are they asking us? Let's see. The measure of each exterior of each, not the sum of all of them, the measure of each. Of a regular fourgon, what do we call that? Quadrilateral, is what to the measure of each exterior angle of a regular ninegon? Well, we've got to split up, for this fourgon, we've got to take 360 degrees and we've got to split it among four angles. For this ninegon, we've got to take 360 degrees and we've got to split it among 9 angles, right? So what do we get? Well, here we would get 90, and here we would only get 40. So it's got to be like that. The smaller number of sides, the lower number of sides, meaning the lower number of angles, means that 360 degrees will get split among a smaller number of angles, and therefore each one will be bigger. So those angles will be bigger because there's less of them, and so they all have to be of greater size in order to still sum to 360. That's what that looks like. So in the first one, it's the sum of them. The sum is always the same. It's just for number 55, how do you split them up? And if you split them up among a greater number of things, each one's going to be smaller.